In today's digital age, long-distance relationships have become increasingly common, with individuals often finding love across oceans and borders. However, the reality of being away from your partner for extended periods can be daunting and emotionally taxing. Many couples are faced with the challenge of how to maintain the spark and keep the love strong despite the distance. But maintaining a strong emotional connection is crucial in order for the relationship to survive. In this video, we will provide you with tried and tested tips on how to make your long-distance relationship work. These tips are not only based on personal experience, but also on research-based evidence to give you a comprehensive and effective plan to keep your love alive. So if you're ready to learn some valuable lessons on how to keep the flame burning even when you're miles apart, stay tuned and let's dive right in. 1. Communication. Communication is the cornerstone of any successful long-distance relationship. Without it, partners can quickly become disconnected and misunderstandings can easily arise. One of the most effective ways to facilitate communication in a long-distance relationship is to schedule frequent video calls. These calls can serve as opportunities to catch up on each other's day-to-day lives, share updates on important events, and simply spend quality time together. Furthermore, seeing your partner's face and hearing their voice can help you feel more connected and engaged. Another way to improve communication in a long-distance relationship is to be intentional and focused during your conversations. Avoid distractions, such as scrolling on your phone or checking your email, and instead, give your partner your full attention. Ask open-ended questions and actively listen to their responses, as this can help foster deeper and more meaningful conversations. 2. Foster intimacy. One of the key ways to foster intimacy is through honest conversations about what makes each person feel loved and connected. This involves taking the time to really listen to your partner and understanding what their emotional needs are. Whatever it may be, understanding and meeting these needs can go a long way in creating a stronger emotional connection. Another way to foster intimacy is by sharing snippets of your daily life with your partner. These candid moments can make you feel more connected to your partner and bring you closer together despite the distance. Keeping romance alive in a long-distance relationship is also crucial for fostering intimacy. This can involve sexual texting at the right times. Not only does this help keep the physical attraction alive, but it can also help partners feel more emotionally connected and intimate with each other. 3. Stay positive. When you are in a long-distance relationship, it's essential to understand that you won't be able to see your partner every day. You won't be able to hold their hand when you want to or hug them when you're feeling low. This physical separation can be difficult to deal with, but it's imperative to stay optimistic throughout this process. Staying positive doesn't mean suppressing negative emotions, but it's about finding a way to deal with them in a healthy manner. You must be able to express your feelings to your partner effectively without always complaining or being sad about the situation. Instead of dwelling on the distance between you, try to focus on the fact that you have someone special in your life who loves and cares for you, even if they're not physically present. You can still have meaningful conversations and create memories together through various means like video calls, sending packages, snail mail, and more. This way, you can both work together towards finding a solution, and your relationship will grow stronger in the process. 4. Surprise each other. When you are miles apart from each other, it's easy to fall into the monotony of texting or calling each other every day, losing the novelty of being in a relationship. Surprising your significant other with a thoughtful gesture adds an extra layer of excitement and anticipation to their day, showing them that you care and are always thinking of them. Surprises could involve a care package filled with their favorite snacks, a handwritten letter, a meaningful piece of jewelry, or something as simple as a heartfelt message. These gestures will undoubtedly remind them of your love and strengthen the bond between you two. 5. Rekindle interests together. When you're physically apart, it's easy for both partners to lose interest in investing time and effort into shared activities. However, doing things together that you both enjoy is paramount in keeping the emotional connection alive. One way to rekindle interests together is by encouraging activities that you both want to do together, regardless of the distance. For instance, participating in cooking classes, yoga retreats, and online trivia nights are all great options. Not only will it give you both something to look forward to, but it will also allow you to bridge the physical distance and create a sense of togetherness. 6. Plan trips together. Planning trips together can provide an incredible opportunity for you and your significant other to spend quality time together and create lasting memories. Not only that, but planning a trip gives you both something wonderful to look forward to and helps to maintain the excitement and anticipation that is often associated with a budding romance. Going on trips together can also be a wonderful way to learn more about each other and deepen your connection. Whether you're exploring new places, trying new foods, or simply spending time enjoying each other's company, the experiences you share while on your trip can help you to build a strong foundation for your relationship and create cherished memories that will last a lifetime. 7. Compromise. Due to physical distance, partners may not always be on the same page, and misunderstandings can easily occur. This is where the concept of compromise comes in handy. It involves finding a middle ground where both partners can be satisfied. Many times, conflicts arise because you and your partner have different opinions, preferences, or values. It's essential to keep an open mind and listen to each other's feelings, thoughts, and beliefs. Through active listening and effective communication, you demonstrate a level of respect and consideration for your partner's feelings, which can enhance trust and intimacy in your relationship. Compromising doesn't mean one partner should give up more than the other. Rather, it involves finding a solution that meets both parties' needs. For instance, if your partner prefers texting while you favor video calls, you can compromise by scheduling specific times for each activity. This way, both of you get what you want and feel valued in the relationship. In the end, making a long-distance relationship work is no easy feat, but it can be achieved with effort and commitment from both parties involved. Communication is key, and it is important to make time for regular check-ins and meaningful conversations. It is equally important to have trust and honesty in the relationship, as well as a mutual understanding of each other's needs and expectations. Additionally, finding creative ways to stay connected and make the most out of the distance can help alleviate some of the challenges that come with being apart. While long-distance relationships require more effort and patience, they can also be incredibly rewarding and strengthen the bond between two people. With these tips and strategies in mind, anyone can make their long-distance relationship work.